What's going on, YouTube? We're back here again with another Focus ST video. I had a headlight go out during a freeze a little bit ago, so I'm having to replace my headlights. Now these headlights are the ST3 package headlights, so they are kind of expensive. I tried to look at the price of these headlights. They are around like $1,400 a piece, maybe $1,460 I believe, on Car ID. This one went out, the halogen bulb went out on this guy. I will show you a video of what that looks like. It basically just flickers and goes completely out. See, this one's still going, but this one's fucked. So I did get some new replacements. Let's show you the replacements I got. We got some Anzos. About to unbox them. We'll see what they look like. I also picked up some turn signals. I've seen on the YouTube here that a bunch of people have been using these turn signals. They just kind of replace the little side ones here. They just replace these guys here because they're just kind of clear. There'll be a black strip with an LED strip that just kind of goes doo-doo-ding, doo-doo-ding. So it should look pretty good. Should look a lot better. Okay, we're gonna unbox these guys now. We're gonna see what they look like. One big box in here. Okay, we got one side. We got one side, so this is the broken side. Looks like it should just pin right up. Installation doesn't look too bad. I think it's gonna look good. So that's this side. This guy over here. We're hoping this up while I'm thinking about it. Well, I've already got it popped. What am I doing? Gotta shimmy this boy out. Ah! It's falling apart on me. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. And this will be the other side. The left side. This looks like another pretty easy install.
I don't see any issues.
We've got the Anzos in now. They look pretty good. We are about to turn the lights on and see how they do. But I'm like a fan so far. I think they look really good. I really like this like LED strip here. Looks kind of like a wave. Okay, I'm just gonna check the lights, make sure they are actually working. So I just reached out to Anzo and I just found out that these headlights actually are not supported for the ST3. They will work, I believe, on ST1 and ST2s, but not the ST3. But they look so good. I wish I could fucking keep these guys. But I spent like $500 on these, so I need to, you know, pop them off and sell them to somebody or something. But definitely, if you're trying to install these, know that the 1 2 1 I can't even fucking read today. 121490 headlights do not work on the Focus ST3. So I am going to have to pull these bad boys off, put my stock ones back on, and yeah, deal with my stupid decisions. But I'm here to make these stupid decisions so you guys don't have to. So hopefully in the future you will not make the same decision I did. Unfortunately, these headlights are like $14.60 a piece on Car ID. They're pretty expensive. I don't know if I want to spend that much money. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a place in town to fix my headlights. We're gonna test out the lights now. I just put the stock ones back in. We're gonna make sure that they actually, you know, turn on, because the Anzos did not. And then from there, we'll figure out how I'm gonna fix. Look like they're already. is out. This bad boy. And then this guy's still running strong, which is good. They are a little glassy looking. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do at this point. I'm a little disappointed that the Anzos didn't work though. You know, I really wanted those to work. They looked really good. But it is what it is, and you know, we'll figure it out. So thank you for watching part 1, and stay tuned for part 2 of my Focus ST light install.